So now I'm ready to start working on this shower again. I've got that opening, that hole that was left by a soap dish, so I got that filled over there with some backing. And before I can tile the shower, I gotta fix this drain down there. So I gotta set that insert for the drain cover in there. So one of the things I gotta do, this drain has become separated on the subfloor. You can see I put a plate knife in there, so I gotta seal this up. And before I do that, this guy here, when you set it in there, you can kind of see that it sets above the subfloor right there. And this edge has to be directly level with the subfloor. So to that end, I'm going to take my Dremel with various bits. I'm going to grind this down at a slope. See, this has a slope. And here, that's the diameter of the drain cover. So if I grind this down, this should set further down so that it's directly level with this. Now I'll have to see. I'm going to pour cement in here, which will go under the subfloor, and then seal this edge. I'm going to replace these paper towels stuck on this drain with this. I cut this out from a sponge used to clean grout when we installed grout lines. This will be easier to get in and out. You definitely want to keep something down there because there's cockroaches down there. Put that in there. This guy should go. You push farther down. Get out. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay.